Good morning, guys. It's 6:08.
We just woke up. Charot. Hindi. Actually, kanina pa kami madaling araw nagising. Kawawa yung kapitbahay siguro namin narinig na gising na kami.
So, magbe-breakfast na kami. Sana, bukas na.
So, tara. Let's go.
Tara.
Good morning, sun. Yeah. Ito po yung back view. So, bumaba na kami. It's still 6:18. Pero yung breakfast, 7:30.
7:30 pa, babe.
7:30 pa pala. So, sarado pa yung bar nila. Pakita na lang namin sa inyo yung resort. So, this is Hakuna Matata. So, you can see there. Hakuna Matata. So, it's a relatively small resort naman. Pero, maganda naman yung space niya. So, they have bean bags para pwede kayo mag-beach bum dun sa sand kung bet ninyo. They also have swings, which is really, really cool. Very aesthetic siya. So, maganda yung vibe niya dito. And they have cocktails here, $250 per order. So, not so expensive, I think. So, they also have kayaks. So, they have a crystal kayak kung gusto nyo mag-water sports activity. And yeah, ito yung restaurant nila. Yan. So, they have ample space naman. Maganda naman siya. So, maganda siya dito pag bet na bet mo talagang mag-chill, ganon. Ito, duyan to eh. Ito, duyan to malaki oh. Malaking duyan. This is also a hammock. Yan, ito yung dining area nila. Very chill vibe. So I think end na yung pinaka-end na yung Saud Beach Resort and wala nang ibang resort. So basically parang if walang nag-stay diyan, si Hakuna Matata na yung last resort on this end of the shore. So later we'll walk there. Tingnan natin kung ano yung meron. Hopefully may mga restaurants din doon. Or maybe resorts na magte-take ng walk-ins. Ayoko pala ng tulak na kaya zoom lang.
noise lang.
Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Yung joy ng paglalakad sa sun. Nawala na.
Masakit sa paa eh. Okay, after a quick nap ba yun?
Quick na, 5 hours.
Quick nap, 5 hours, 11?
Hindi, ano na. Hindi na tayo nagising.
Oo, kasi since late kami nagising. We woke up a little bit late in this rainy afternoon in Saud Beach. So, kahit umuulan, nag-i-swimming pa rin. So, as we promised na maglalakad tayo dito sa shoreline, ito na. Kasi, since we slept through lunch, gutom na kami. So, we're gonna be looking for something to eat. Yan po. Parang Patong Beach lang yung vibes na naglalakad sa sand. Gagawin tong Patong Beach style. Okay din. Dadami yung tourists. Ba't ka lumipat? You're right. I don't know. So, ang hinahanap namin ay ano pangalan? Casa Victoria. Casa Victoria.
May pangalan.
So, may mga water sport activities. Mostly beach volleyball. Yun o, may net sila. Yung banana boat dun, dami ng banana boat dito. Water cycling. It's Sunday pero very quiet kasi nga umulan. Pros and cons din kung gusto mo mag-beach nang walang sun, ito na itsura nito. Doon yata yung daanan ng water sports. Ito na ba? Casa Victoria. Ano?
Ayun, hindi ba yan?
Saan? Try natin. Grabe yung mga clip nila. Alam mo yung mga nagsasurf oh. Yun oh. Ito pala si Casa Victoria. Grilled fish sa akin. Okay na sa akin yan. Grilled fish tsaka tempura. Kanin yung yun na. Ang ganda. Ano ba ito?
Ano ba ito?
Kalamansi.
Ako mo muna.
Alright. Alright na naman. Just finished swimming. It's 6:41 and we're gonna head back to our room. Grabe. Inabot na kami ng dilim. Although there's no sunset kasi nga makulimlim. But yeah.
Pinansyang ko. Makakapain mo ito. Makapin belly button.
So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Tae, tae.
Himself, para ano, family
White and blue, white and red, white